Hey guys, this is a quick tutorial for text layers. As you can see in this clip here, you have here the text Brooklyn, which is a video on top of another video. You can see that the Brooklyn is on this layer. So if I disable it, the text is gone. And this layer down here is the regular video. If I disable this, you can see only the text. The way this was done is they've added an Alt key. If I disable that, you can see it's all white. Now the thing is, I don't like that so much because here the text doesn't look very good. There's this like tiny weird little white border around it. So I like to use the color key instead of the Alt key because it has a couple cool effects. I'm going to show you that now. So I'm going to disable this effect for now. Then go to Effects and type Color Key and then move this on here. Same thing, go and add this to white. And then tolerance we can bump up pretty high. Put this to 60. So now the cool thing I can do here is I can use this edge thin and edge feather to make a nicer border around the text. If I actually increase this above, if I go above 0, you can see it cuts away from the edge, which is not what I want to do this time. I want to actually go minus. And you can see I can go all the way up to -5, that's the highest. But yeah, basically I want to create a border around the word. And I can do that by going to minus here. Yeah, and the second cool thing I can do is I can add some feathering, which you see makes it blurry, this feather around it. And I personally feel this looks much cooler. It also makes it easier to read the text than if you go back to here. This just kind of looks boring and weird, whereas this kind of looks cool and funky. I think -1 is maybe enough. Let's see here, -1. Yeah, we don't want to highlight it too much, I guess, so it's up to you really, what you think looks nicer. For now, I think we'll leave this at -1. I think that looks much better than this. This just kind of looks like there's a technical error, whereas this looks more like it was meant to look like this. Now this effect creates a bit of a problem. You see on the bottom and on the top here we have this little white shimmer, and that's because it applies this to anything it considers the edge. And the edge is, because we use the color key, the video gets cut off anything around this black. So that's the edge of the video. But also here around the border, the video also considers that the edge. So it adds this feather around the edge. So the way we can take this away is by adding another effect. We can add the crop, drag this on here, and then we can crop the top and the bottom. Here, top, to be more, okay, there we go. So we can lower that a bit. Okay, I think that's about it. Now it does cut it off here a bit, but I guess in this case it's fine because it just looks good. Otherwise, I guess you could use the mask to only select the area where you want it to be cropped. And then of course you also have to crop the bottom. Right, the bottom, okay, let's go up here. Okay, and that's fine. So this looks good. Now the last thing is here it's still the old, in these two clips it's still the old text. So you just have to go ahead and copy both of these effects. Control copy. And then select these two clips where you want to add it, paste. It didn't apply it because if you click here, you can see the Alt key is still here, so we have to delete. Okay, now it is here. Same thing here, the Alt key has to be deleted. And now we're fine, that's it. You can see it also looks good when it is being written. So yeah, it's a really cool effect to use with text in general. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments of the YouTube video and I'll answer them there so other people can also read about it. Thanks, bye bye.